Hey everyone, this is Tyler Garrity with Link-Belt Excavator Company. Today we're going to take a deeper look at the features and benefits of our X4S series excavator. Let's dig in. There's two different places you can find the machine serial number listed on your Link-Belt excavator. One is on the placard located on the side of the cab. Number two is stamped right in between the boom hoist cylinders. As we move up to the top platform, you'll notice in this step here is a spacious toolbox. Inside of that toolbox, you'll find our lubrication chart. Next will be your DEF refill. Open in here, and this is where you will refill the machine with DEF. As you work your way up the platform, you'll have diesel refill and then also a tool-free hydraulic oil refill cap, which is another new addition with the X4S series. The 170 and 190 X4S both utilize Yanmar engines, which is new to Link-Belt. All other X4S utilize Isuzu engines, which we've had a partnership with since 1984. Next, we're going to talk about the pump compartment. There's a few different things to mention when we're talking about the pump compartment in general, and one of them is our ground level access for maintenance. As you notice, I can touch every single one of these filters from ground level. So we have both of our fuel filters here, our pilot filter, and also our engine oil filter here a little bit lower. Additionally, we have both sample ports located in this compartment as well. You'll have engine oil here and hydraulic oil located up here on the hydraulic tank. Lastly, I want to talk about our two electronically controlled high efficiency pumps, which is a major benefit for efficiency and responsiveness. This is important for efficiency. The pump and the engine are connected directly together. There's no coupling or gearbox that's located in between both of those pumps. Lastly, our Spool Stroke Control technology makes sure that oil goes to exactly where it needs to be at the time that it's needed. Let's take a quick peek inside the cooling compartment. Inside of the cooling compartment, you'll notice ground level access for batteries and also our pattern changer valve. The pattern changer is pretty easy to get to. Just remove these two bolts, pop up the protective cover, and then you're easily able to change the controls on the machine based off of operator preference. Number two, you'll notice our battery disconnect switch. This battery disconnect switch can be turned on or off. There's also an LED light that tells you when you cannot turn the battery disconnect switch to the off position. You'll also find the engine air filter located in here, and then also removable screens that cover the cooling compartment on our machines. These can actually be removed, blown out with air, and reinstalled, and it just keeps debris from touching the cooling compartment. We've included LED lights with this machine. I do want to mention on the front side of the cab, we do include pre-drilled bosses for any type of front guarding package that you would like to purchase for your machine, just to protect the front from glass or any type of object that could come inside the cab. Thank you for joining us today on the walk around of our new X4S series excavator. To learn more, visit us at lbxco.com or visit your local dealer.